Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to open a Wix account for free. This is Wix.com website, and first I will click on this Get Started blue button on the corner. On this page, fill in your email address. Confirm your email address like that. Select a strong password that you can remember. Same thing, confirm your password again. Click on this sign up button. I got difficulties signing up with my email address, so I will try to sign up with my Google account. As you can see, with the Google account, things seems to work. Who you are creating a website for? I will create it for myself. Click on continue. Bring your ideas to life with AI. Tell us about your site you're creating and get a personalized dashboard with everything you need to manage it. I will select setup without chat. What type of website do you want to create? I want to create a blog, for example. Blog coming soon, mindful. There are many types of blogs. I will select technology blog. Click on continue. Tell us about your technology blog. We'll use AI to tailor your setup journey, recommend tools, and personalize content for your site. What is it called? I will call it Ben's Tech Blog. Describe it in a few words or sentences. A technology blog where I publish reviews and roundups. Click on continue. I've just noticed that I can skip this step or skip all of these steps, but I will follow this setup. What are your goals for this site? Create and share content, get booked online, sell products, offer online courses. To avoid having a tailored experience with Wix, I will go with skip all. In case you are not interested with creating a technology blog, so I think this is good. Skipping this setup is good for all of you viewers. Loading your dashboard. I'm new to Wix, so I'm also exploring Wix for the first time. This is, I think, from here you can switch between your sites. Explore, you can find apps that you can, I think, you can add to your site or work with on your site. Hire a professional, help, upgrade, inbox, notification, new releases, and my account. And from this panel, quick actions. From quick actions, you can create or edit blog posts on your website, Wix website. You can manage blog categories. Also publish a blog post using AI. You can translate your Wix to many other languages. And you can create an online form, upload a digital file, add a folder and manage your folders. And below marketing campaigns, I think you can connect your Wix account with your Google Ads account, Facebook Ads, and Instagram. And below business tools, you can manage your business email, see invoices, pricing plan. I see that there are many things to explore in this Wix journey. Now they are asking me to connect my custom domain. I don't have one yet, so I will skip this step. This step after it is writing my first blog post. Let's see the blog post publishing process. I think this is the AI button. Let's click on it. Yes, this is the AI. Catchy title, blog post body. Let's post or publish. Let's publish this article to see it live. I'm looking for this blog post URL. I think my website is not yet published. This is why I can't find this blog post link. Let's I think how would you like to design your website? You can go with generate a design using AI or select a custom template. I will go with pick a template. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Wix today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things including how to get started with Wix, basic website editing, embedding content like how to embed a YouTube video on a Wix website, exporting and importing, removing and resetting like how to remove Wix ads from your website for free, restoring and transferring, for example, how to restore a Wix website, how to take a backup, Wix features like how to use Wix AI website builder, adding content and features, e-commerce and store setup, sharing and collaboration, saving and deleting, like how to save a website as PDF, also how to delete a website on Wix or a Wix web account, marketing and SEO, and advanced features like how to deliver Wix website to a client. There are also other categories like templates and customization, and how to make your Wix website responsive and fit all screens. If you want to get access to all of this today for free and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Let's go with this hobbies blog and forum. Click on view. Okay. Let's check my website on mobile. Click on this edit this site button. Now I see the publish button. Choose a domain before you publish. I will go with the free wix.com domain. Save and continue. This is my free Wix domain name. You can edit it from here and hit this publish now. My site now is publishing, and congratulations, your site is published and live now. Let's view my site. And this is my new blog on Wix. Let's check the blog section. And this is my latest blog post. I'm satisfied with the design of my template. And this is how to get started with Wix for free.